We offer very good coarse hairs. This is very good quality, top quality, natural coarse hairs. The coarse hairs are naturally coarse. It's been cut from donor's head, from single donor, and then each hair comes from each head, and it's 100% human hair. Texture is natural and it's naturally coarse. We have sorted, we have kept, we have collected these coarse hairs for you only, because you need coarse hair, we know that, and this is the best, top, high quality coarse hair that is offered in the world. We have been collecting coarse hair for last decade. Best coarse hair ever. Can be wefted, can be weaved, can be used for any purposes. The coarse hair. Thank you.